हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन माई स्कूल लाइफ। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। स्कूल लाइफ इज द बेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. People are learning from his childhood in the school, and also a school built the character of the man. It is the formative period for everyone. Every student should try to make his better life and best use of school life because it never comes again after the school season. Firstly, every student should learn great knowledge from school life. They have great discipline and punctuality about school life. They must do that all work at the right moment. Most of the people who have spent in school are the happiest and happy days of our life. There are so many memories of school life which we remind every time. Some of the students tend to avoid doing home assignments and never try to dive into the hard work. The only period they take seriously is the examination set. When the announcement of the exams comes, the student feels like he's got an electric shock. No more bullying the little kids. No more making fools of the poor teachers. Time to read and revise. School life is the most pleasant period in a man's life. Everyone longs for those cheerful days in his later life. One feels very happy when he recalls the old memories of his school life. The joys of school life are numerous. School is a place of youth. Even the old feel happy and smart in the company of young students. It is a carefree life. The student is not worried about the worldly affairs. The student demands are easily met by his parents. He is concerned only with his lessons and games. School is the training ground for all virtues that make a good man. Here we first learn how to live a disciplined life. We read together, we sit together, and we play together. Thus we learn the value of collective effort in life. We learn the lessons of self-control, truthfulness, kindness, duty, and many other good qualities. He has enough time to play and make his health. He remains cheerful most of the time. Some of his friends are naughty. They cut jokes with their class fellows. We pass happy evening in the playground. There are keen contests among players. They are cheered up with clapping. This is the innocent pleasure which we cannot get anywhere else. The teachers are lovable personalities. We are familiar with their particular habits. They get angry and punish but at hurt. They are our well-wishers. They become ideal examples for us. I used to attend the school regularly. I used to study all the subjects equally. I was the favorite student of my teachers and the principal. When I passed the SSC examination with flying colors, they came to my home to congratulate me. It was a very emotional day and the greatest reward for me. School life opens the eyes of the students to the virtues of punctuality and adjustment. Students are thankful for the lessons afterwards. So when school days are over, students leave the school with real regret. तो दोस्तों ये था ऐसे ऑन माई स्कूल लाइफ। दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पार्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट के थ्रू बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।